this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi simply not working on your Samsung phone. So let's just go to the top right like this, and you can see all these different buttons. Make sure you don't have airplane mode on by accident. You can see I can have Wi-Fi and airplane mode turned on at the same time. So you want to turn off airplane mode because it will disable your connections and you won't be able to use them. So you can see Bluetooth is now back on. So let's go to settings now, and then scroll on down. And we want to go to general management at first. There's a few different options under here that could be useful. So let's go to general management, and then go to date and time. For some reason with the software, it's been disconnecting people from the internet, and it's not working because you have to disable automatic date and time, and then re-enable if you don't have it enabled already. And for some reason that makes everything work again. Not sure why. But let's go to reset, and then going down here, we have the option to reset all the different settings on our Samsung phone, and this could be useful if everything else doesn't seem to work. If there's some weird setting that's causing this issue on the phone's end, well, this is going to reset like your password and stuff, like your login password, and some other account related info. You might have to sign back in with some settings and stuff, your Google account, your Samsung account. So it could be a little bit annoying, but it doesn't delete your pictures and videos. But we have the option for reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. We could just reset it here, and then we're going to have to log back into our Wi-Fi, wherever it is. So you can do that here, and then factory reset is a complete wipe of everything. So I'd probably come to this option as number 2. But let's go back to the home screen here. Go up to connections, choose this. Go to your currently connected internet, and then we can go to settings right here. And then just go to the eye right here and reveal your password and know what this is before you forget it. And then go to forget right here on the bottom right. And then simply re-add it as Wi-Fi. Now, if everything is seemingly working on your phone, well, it's probably your Wi-Fi connection that's the issue. So you have to go to your Wi-Fi router and your modem and unplug them for at least 1 to 2 minutes, and that usually fixes the issue. So reset your Wi-Fi and router, and then you can probably try restarting your phone as well. So just restart everything at the same time. So go to restart right here, and then we can go back, and just make sure you don't have other options on as well. So if we go to mobile data or mobile hotspot, make sure this is turned off. And then we go to more connection settings. VPN is turned off. And then we should be good to go with all those different options. So after resetting all the settings, our phone shouldn't be causing the issue. Could probably be something else like our router, or it could be just our service is down. So just try that out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.